Right now we are at the LMR. We're gonna take our iPhone X today from LMR. Carry forward. Let's go. Studio, we have an amazing guest with us. We have unboxing the iPhone X 64 GB. So let's check it out. You're watching on Zayed Creation. So guys, let's take it out from the cover. I had buy two covers and two screen cards. I got one screen card and one cover free. So guys, let's take our phone. Here comes the king of Apple, my lovely phone, iPhone X. This is iPhone X 64 GB. So let's unbox it. 64 GB, you can check it up. I got this for 3,200. So let's unbox it. Let's cut the covers. I don't have more experience. I have a big knife with me. You're gonna see in the video. So let's open. Yes, it's open. Now we have a cover in front of us. One paper. I think it's menus. Setup menu and instructions is given. English, Arabic, and we have one pin. Pin and Apple's logo. Nothing is there. So let's take our phone out. There's a plastic coming on the upside. So let's just peel it out. This is the charger adapter, lightning cable. So let's peel the plastic from the iPhone. Slow. Okay guys, we done. So let's on the phone and check it out. Oh shit, this is not on. Oh, it got on. It takes some time. Do you want to have a water test on this phone? If you want, just comment below. We can check it up. Okay guys, it came. Firstly it shows hello. Let's do this. Guys, now we have to select our region. Right now I'm at United Arab Emirates, but I'm selecting India. No problem. Chile. Now we're gonna select India. Where's India? India is gone. Oh, where India gone? India is gone actually. Okay guys, this is all for today. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell.